Hi, in this video training of Python Numpy, we will be learning about NumPy joining array. Joining means putting contents of two or more arrays in a single array. In SQL, we join tables based on a key, whereas in NumPy, we join arrays by axis. We pass a sequence of arrays that we want to join to the concatenate function along with the axis. If axis is not explicitly passed, it is taken as 0. So let's look at a simple example of joining two arrays. So we have array 1 and we have array 2 with elements 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, and we pass those two arrays to the concatenate function of NumPy object, and we get a single array that is ARR, and then we print the contents of array. So let's try this. First of all, create a project file. Let's call it Python Numpy join array.py and import NumPy as np, and let's create the first array np.array np.array and 1, 2, 3. So create the second array np.array 4, 5, 6, and now we are going to join these two arrays, array 1 and array 2, and print the contents of array. Go to the console and we are going to run this file. Okay, it says only integer scalar arrays can be converted to a scalar index. I think we are missing something here. I think it's the double concatenate. I think this should do it. Yeah, now we have the contents of both the arrays in a single arrays using the concatenate function. So we have merged the two arrays into a single array. We can also join two 2D arrays along rows axis 1. So let's see how we can do that. Let's copy this, and I'm going to add a comment here, concatenation of 1D array, and I'm going to copy this, paste it here, and uncomment this code. Okay, and it's 2D array. So what we can do is we can create two arrays that are 2D arrays, 3, 4, and we can have another 2D array 4, 5 and 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have two arrays that are two-dimensional arrays, and we are concatenating them using the concat function, and this time we will be passing an extra argument, that is axis equals 1. Let's print the contents of the array and go to the console. You see we have got the contents of the array 1, 2, 4, 5 and 3, 4, 6, 7. So basically what axis 1 has done, it has concatenated 1 with 3, 1, 2, 4 and 5. So it has concatenated 1, 2, 4, 5, and it has concatenated 3, 4, 6, 7. So that happened because of axis equals 1. Okay, let's see how we can join arrays using stack functions. Stacking is same as concatenation. The only difference is that stacking is done along a new axis. We can concatenate two 1D arrays along the second axis, which would result in putting them one over the other, that is stacking. We pass a sequence of arrays that we want to join to the stack method along with the axis. If axis is not explicitly passed, it is taken as 0. So let's look at this example of two arrays which are single dimensional array, and we will be passing axis 1. So we have these two arrays 1 2 3 and 4 5 6, and np dot and we will be passing axis equals 1, and go to the console, run the file. Okay, we have got axis 1 is out of bounds for array of dimension 1. So basically axis 1 doesn't works with single arrays. So if I remove axis 1 here and run the program again, you see we have got the result, that is the combination of array 1 and array 2. NumPy provides a helper function hstack to stack along rows. So let's see the HP stack function in action. Okay, we can use the same code and we can say HP stack, and we pass in the array 1 and array 2. Go to the console, run the program. It says module object has no attribute HP stack. Okay, my bad, it's not HP stack, it is H stack. The console, run the program. You see we have got 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is the combination of the two arrays. So it did the same job as the concatenate function. Okay, we can also stack along columns. NumPy provides a helper function vstack to stack along columns. So let's see this function in action. Okay, copy this code here and we can say using hstack, and here we can say using vstack. Just change h to v, save the file, go to the console. You see we have concatenated the two as vertical stack. Stacking along height or depth. NumPy provides a helper function dstack to stack along height, which is the same as depth. So we can use the dstack function in our example. Copy this and comment this out. Okay, paste it here and going to change this to dstack, that is the depth, and go to the console. You see we have got a different output this time. We have got 142536. That is because we use the dstack function, which is along height. I hope you liked this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time with a new topic in Python. Till then, bye.